na, ilista mo lang ang pangalan ko ha sa mga ayuda, di ba?
Hi, Ate Lilia po kakamuhani. Hindi lang naman po pang sardinas at pang ayuda ang social work, eh paulit-ulit. So, una na po ako, bye-bye.
Diyos, patay ka na oh. Dadaanan ko rin naman ang university mo eh.
Uy, salamat Kuya George. The best ka talaga.
Tara.
In God's will, magiging registered social worker din ako.
Ito, Josh, kasama ko ninyo, community organizer. Kaya po ba?
Kinakaya naman para sa mga clients and parents of future. Kayo ba?
Same din, oy. Imimit ko sana ano po, members ko ng organizing. Community organizing din.
Sige, sige. Social work is a profession dedicated to helping individuals, families, and communities enhance their well-being and address various social issues. It involves understanding and tackling complex social problems such as poverty, discrimination, and mental health challenges through a combination of direct intervention, advocacy, and policy development. Nice! Bakit kaya ganun si Kaka Muhani at Ate Lily? Bakit kaya akala nila ang social worker ay para lang sa sardinas o ayuda? Hindi ba nila alam na may different profession ng social work? Hindi lang kami pang sardinas. Hindi lang kami pang ayuda. Eto kami. Hi, Skotsu. Please be good to me, ha?
brainstorm and make yourself a comfortable. And with that, let's first have a quick review for our last topic yesterday. Anyone who can speak? Thank you so much, Ms. Osman. That was very impressive and a concise way of delivering our last topic yesterday. You really pay attention when you are alone as a classroom. So with that, I am here and I am now calling some volunteers who can share the type of client. At the same time, at least 2 of each component. Anyone? Yes, Ms. Antal, can you please speak?
So, first one or organization, individual or group, meaning the social worker directly helps clients to provide an assistance or services to the individual or group. This model is often used in social programs, particularly poverty and to support vulnerable population, to ensure the equitable access to essential services.
Madam.
Sir, nakita ko kasi kayo dito matagal na. Palagi kasi akong dumadaan dito. Tapos hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin kayo.
Wala na kasi akong pamilya dito, madam. Tapos yung mga bata dito, ikuha nila ang pera ko.
Sir, ako po si Nerhata Untal. Isa po akong social worker na may pinagtrabaho sa agency po namin. May mga tulong po kami na binibigay sa mga ganyang case po sa inyo. So, bago po muna yun, ito po muna yung pagkain.
Maraming salamat, ma'am. Hindi nyo alam ang matulong nyo sa buhay ko.
Sir, ito po muna yung pagkain. Bale, punta muna ako sa agency namin. Tapos, balikan ko lang po kayo dito kasama ang aking mga workers at dadalhin ka po namin sa aming facility.
Maraming salamat, ma'am.
Essential services.
Oh, exactly, Miss Control. And the other one is?
The other one is the problem-solving model. In social work, is the structured approach that we use to address or resolve a personal or social issues. This model involves or designed to design systematically to identify problems and develop and implement solutions and to evaluate outcomes. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, ako po sa Nerhata Untal, nais ko lamang po, narito po kasi ako kasi naka-receive po kami ng concern about po dito, galing po sa mga kapitbahay nyo na palagi daw po nagkakaroon ng away dito. So, nice ko lang ma'am po i-assist kung totoo po ba yung mga sabi nila dyan.
Sige mo, ma'am, pwede po natin mag-uusapan po sa taas po. Pagdulit po kayo. So, ganito yung tempo din, ma'am.
Ma'am, ganito kasi, may dumating na kapitbahay nyo sa agency namin na nagre-reklamo kasi nakaka-istorbo na daw kayo sa kanila. Kasi palagi daw po na mayroong nag-aaway dito sa pamilya na to at gusto lang po namin malaman ano ang dahilan at nakapagkuhan ba dito ang baby nyo. Kami po ay social worker at nice lang po namin tumulong.
Ing ani kasi na siya, ma'am. Ako ang bana, palahubog kaayo. Sigig tulog, bulan kaayo. Halos wala na may pambayad sa suga o tubig na mo. Halos wala na po may makaon. Kay sigig lag inom sa iyang mga barkada. Tapos, awa ma'am, magbalik naman din siya tulog. Hindi gani makatabang sa ako ang magbantay sa amo ang anak. Ikaw, Pedring, maulaw pud ka. Sige na lang tag. Away, giaduan na tag direct social worker. Kay makaulaw masyado sa mga kapitbahay. Wala na kay pinta diri sa balay. Makaulaw ba siya?
Ay sus, pagkilom dira, kay matulog pa ko balik.
So, ganito na lang ma'am. Babalik na lang po kami sa mga susunod na araw at titingnan po namin kung may pagbabago ba na nangyari or mas lumala pa po yung away nyo. So, at para ma-assist na rin po namin kung naapektuhan ba talaga yung anak nyo. So, yun na lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyong cooperation.
Talagang salamat po, ma'am. Pasensya na. Pasensya na, ma'am.
The problem-solving model includes collaboration, client empowerment, and experience-based approach. By working through these steps, social workers aim to help clients develop the skills and resources they need to manage their problems effectively and improve their overall well-being.
Excellent, Miss Montal. Thank you so much and sit down. Who wants to this? The insight about the different model and approach with working with groups. Yes, Mr. Saripata. So, the developmental approach in social work is a framework that focuses on enhancing the overall well-being and development of individuals, families, and communities. So, this approach is holistic, proactive, and strength-based, emphasizing capacity building, empowerment, and sustainable development. The developmental approach is proactive and future-oriented, aiming to create conditions that support positive development and reduce the need for immediate intervention. By fostering resilience and self-reliance, this approach seeks to empower individuals and communities to thrive. Morning, Doc. Ako pala yung social worker na galing sa Social Service Agency at I am together with my client na hanggang mag-undergo ng rehabilitation.
Kasi po do, actually dahil sa mga kaibigan ko do, na-influence na po niya akong gumamit ng droga to the point na hindi ko na po talaga makontrol do. Ano po ba ang mga dapat gawin do?
So, ang gagawin natin, kailangan natin ng step-by-step procedure kung saan aalisin natin ang mga factor ng pagkalulong mo sa droga.
Yung ano pa po do?
If mga kaibigan mo ang reason, kailangan mo silang layuan, kailangan mo silang iwasan para sa patuloy na pagbabago. And may I suggest to you, kailangan mo dito sa rehab para may bigay namin sa iyo ang mga pangangailangan mo.
Then, paano po gagawin do?
Kailangan mo lang bumalik dito every week para ma-check namin ang improvement ng iyong pagbabago.
Marami sa akin po talaga do kasi talaga naputusan
worried na po sir kasi kami mga nilapitan mo ay kinikip namin or in-embody namin ang confidentiality ng client namin and 100% na safe ka sa amin.
Maraming salamat po sir. Maraming salamat po Dok. Yes, salamat sir. Dok, maraming salamat po Dok.
Thank you so much po Doc and have a great day.
Salamat po.
Okay, good point, Mr. Saripala. And the other one is, okay, so the other one is the remedial approach in social work focuses on addressing and resolving existing problems or deficits experienced by individuals, families, or communities. This approach is often reactive and problem-oriented, aiming to provide immediate relief and solutions to issues that are already present. Magandang umaga po sir. May natanggap po kasi kami mga balita na madaming substance user dito sa lugar nyo. At ako po ay isang social worker at ang agency po namin ay handang magbigay ng tulong doon sa mga nais magbago. Hindi po sir. Narito po ang contact number ng aming agency na maaaring yung tawagan kung sakaling may kakilala kayong handang magbago at kami naman po ay handang tumulong. The remedial approach is crucial for addressing urgent and existing issues and helping clients to stabilize and improve their situations. Excellent, Mr. Saripala. So now let's proceed. Who wants to volunteer to give or to explain us the model and approach for working with communities? Anyone? You, Mrs. Myra.
So, community organizing is a process through which people live in proximity to each other come together to act under shared self-interest. It is a fundamental aspect of social work, aimed at empowering communities, fostering social change, and improving overall well-being.
inyo. At mula sa ating opisina, pinasasalamatan ko ang ating mga social work intern, no, para sa pagkakaroon ng community organizing, para sa pag-aware sa ating mga constituents patungkol sa environmental awareness. No, ito yung napakalaking bagay, and alhamdulillah, ito po ay kanilang babaunin hanggang sa pag-uwi nila sa kanilang mga tahanan. Maraming salamat at naway inyong magiging leksyon sa inyo ang mga natutunan ninyo ngayong araw. Maraming salamat.
Yung pagdalo, kung saan ito po ay nagbibigay ng pag-participate po lang yung barangay. Maraming salamat po. At ganito rin po ang certificate para po sa ating yung mga ng barangay chairman, barangay Salipa ng barangay Trakla. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
Community organizing is a powerful tool for social change, enabling people to collectively address their issues, advocate for their rights, and improving their living conditions. It fosters a sense of solidarity and empowerment, essentially for creating resilient and vibrant communities.
So, thank you so much, Ms. Asmira. You know what? You gave me a very quick and overview of our last topic yesterday. So, for all of you, and good luck on your future studies, your future life, and soon to be a future social work. So, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for listening, and goodbye. See you tomorrow.